Hey guys, Mayday to you, and happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. It's Father's Day 2024. Today, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna introduce you to my new purchase here, my VEVOR power washer. You can see right here, we got the old power washing gun, which is gonna be unloading on my new truck today. Let's get it started. Let me take you through this. Now this VEVOR, it's a 1.67 gallons per minute flow. And I believe the PSI is about 2,000. And pretty simple, pretty easy to figure out. On-off switch right here. And then you hook up your hose and your gun to this. It's about 35 foot long, this is. And so is the power cable. The power cable comes with a GFI, and the GFI, you don't want to plug that into an extension cord if you can help it. Just plug it into a wall outlet. It's plenty long enough. But we're going to hook that up, and we're going to get started. Let's do it. Oh, and by the way, I wanted to turn it around. Here's where you attach your garden hose, and it's got a little filter in it, and with a male end on it, so you can put your garden hose in there, screw it on, and rock and roll. This is also a nice little bottle. We're going to be using that. That's for your soap dispenser. So that pops right off. That'll pop right onto the gun, and we'll put some little bit of soap in there. I think I got Rain-X. Hope that's good. Anyway, I'm gonna put some soap in there and get it rolling. See right there, probably couldn't see it that good on the last one. But that's where, put your garden hose attachment. Oh, and I almost forgot here. These are quick disconnect ends. You've got like different sprays. That's like a 0 and then a 30, or well, let's see, 15 degree. Then your 40 degree, and this is a 25 degree, and this is a, I guess that's the pocket rocket, man. That just blasted as best it can. Also gives you one of these little straight wires, rings that you can put this, like right here, this little ring. You can unclog your nozzle with that. So that's pretty cool. They also include a few extra screws. I don't know if they're extra, but they're extra to me because I can't figure out where they go. And like I said, comes with a GFI plug. Just want to plug that straight in. It's a 35-foot long hose. That looks good. And there goes my extension cord. But we'll plug that in right there. And looks like it's ready to power up. Now, one thing you're always going to want to do is when you get a garden hose ready, take off your nozzle. That'll be okay right there. You're going to want to do a little purging of your hose. Just in case you got any spiders, any dirt or anything that's crawled in there. You don't want that going into your new VEVOR pressure washer. So that's good and purged. Ready to put her on and fire her up. Stick her in and rock and roll. Get it tightened down nice and good. Don't want it leaking. So that's tight enough. Got my Rain-X in the bottle, ready to go. A little bit, about an ounce there. Got my handle with the quick disconnect. Set that there for a second. These quick disconnects, they're nice. You just pull them on like that. Squeeze this down, pop them on. Kind of, this thing's a pain, but other than that, just got to pull that up and make sure it's tight. Says on the Rain-X not to wash the cars in the direct sunlight to avoid that. So we're gonna have shade here probably in a little bit, which will cover this. And but that doesn't stop me, because I've got a window that I haven't cleaned because I've been waiting on this pressure cleaner or pressure washer, and this window has bird crap all over it, which I'm going to show you now. Right there, see that and that, but we are definitely going to give that a nice washing. So let's do that. Let's get fired up and get that knocked out. So we'll attach the hose to the gun just like this. Got a little button you push in, see right there. Take the wand, and on the wand you just lift up on this. It's got a little grooves right there on the wand. You want to push that down in so that it sits in there, and give it a little twist. Once you get it in there, give it a twist. Now it's stuck in there. Now you want to go turn your hose on, turn on the old power. First thing we're going to do before we hit anything is clean this ladder off. I'll need that ladder to do a little bit of stepping up to that window. Check this out. Got a telescopic, I don't know if I'll need it, but telescopic brush here. Might be nice to use. You can actually hook this up to a hose, but I don't think we're going to be doing that today. Let's just use it. Get some bird crap off the window. Right on? Right on. Let's do that. Mayday. All right, the power switch is right here. Give it a little turn to the on position, and wonder why I don't know if that's GFI problems or not. There we go. There we go. Let's crank this around so you can do some watching on this ladder wash. Got enough cobwebs on that thing to have my own spider nest. I switched over to the 15-degree nozzle. Let's give this a blast. Maybe I need a 0-degree nozzle. Let's try that one. The 15 doesn't work, or the 0 doesn't work, which is the red one. We'll switch it over to the jet-powered one. Let's see how this goes. Oh, that's a lot better. A lot better. Definitely going to need the long, whatchamacallit. I think what I'll do is add the some suds up there and spray it a little bit. Then take the old broom, or the telescopic broom, give it a nice little cleaning. See if that works. Switched over and put the old bottle on it. Let's try it out. Like at the old car wash. give it a little hit with the broom. Not really that trusting of this ladder, especially with vertigo. Ah. Got a stubborn spot up there. Can't really get it off. Oh well, we'll blast it until it comes off. Right? Just blast it until it comes off. Mayday. Let's hit it again. Not coming off with that nozzle. I think it might be time for the jet. Give this a try. What do you think? I don't know if this is... I don't think that's as good. This kind of does the whirly bird. Looks like it's gone. Yeah, this kind of does the old whirly bird spin. Oh, it's like this. Ah, works pretty good. Looks like it's off. Still got a bunch of direct sunlight, but you know what? I can't wait around for clouds and I can't wait around for sundown. So let's hit it with this thing. Let's do this. Bird dookie over here. Put that right off. Like Kramer getting poured out of the picture. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now let's see what we got going on right here. Sure, you guys don't want to watch me wash the whole truck, so wait till I get to the soapy part. Okay, it's super soaker time. And that brush, that's going to come in handy for helping me get this tonneau cover, helping me also get the roof. you look at that. Hey, I'm through the old Rain-X so far. I got to get some more on there. But first I'm going to give this a good washing with the brush and then kind of spray it, kind of give it a spray off. I'm finding what would be a lot better is just to probably skip the super soaker with the suds and stuff. Just get yourself a bucket of soapy water, spray it, then take the bucket of soapy water, go on it, and then just spray it off. I think it's a pain in the butt switching that thing back and forth, but it's got its application. I just don't know what it's for. It's not for washing a vehicle, especially when you're trying to, you know, do 3 things at once. So this is probably the best thing. Have yourself a little bit of soapy water and give it a spray. Do a little bit at a time. Do a little bit at a time and don't hurry, you know. Do a little bit of soap on your sponge or on your broom. Just give it a cleaning. Don't forget the mirrors. You want to be able to see who the heck's behind you, beeping their horn. Anyway, so you get the picture. I think you'll get the picture. So I think we'll finish off the truck and wrap this up when I come back. One thing they never taught me at pressure washing school is how do you shut it down? Should I shut the hose off and then hit it and purge the water? Or should I just shut the hose off and unscrew it and turn it off? I think I'm gonna shut the hose off, hit it, purge it, and real quick so it doesn't burn the motor up or anything, and just go from there. We'll see how that goes. So to purge that thing, what you want to do is shut your hose off and just turn the motor on and disconnect. You can disconnect the gun and everything and let the hose hold the hose. It'll take about 3 minutes till it drains, and then you'll hear it just go whoo, and that's when you want to shut it off so you don't burn the motor up. But that's about it. Purging it, you know, shut your hose off, purge all the water out of it, wrap it up, put it away till next time. So that's it. I know in the next segment you're going to see me asking questions about it, but I found out how to do it and I recorded this. So there you go. Okay, here goes nothing. The water's shut off. I think that's about all she wrote right there. I'm gonna just shut her off, throw away the key, be done with it. Anyway, guys, that's about it for pressure washing the truck. Looks pretty good. I mean, I can't complain, but I think I'm gonna stick to a $10 car wash where it just does everything for you. And I like the brushes. Everyone hates the brushes, but I like the brushes. Yeah, they put scratches, but you know, it's a truck. Gets it clean. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, happy Father's Day, but Mayday is out of here.